Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best Dual Modes HDMI Splitter. So stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. In today's tech-savvy world, where home entertainment and multitasking setups are more sophisticated than ever, HDMI splitters have become a must-have tool. One such product that stands out is the Baseus Dual Modes HDMI Splitter. With innovative features tailored for both professionals and entertainment enthusiasts, this HDMI splitter ensures seamless switching and high-definition video quality. Let's break down the key features, pros and cons of this device, and product features. Dual Modes Instant Switching. The Baseus Dual Modes HDMI Splitter provides the ability to switch between two HDMI sources with ease. No more constant plugging and unplugging. Users can enjoy a hassle-free experience when shifting between devices. 4K HD 3D large screen viewing. Supporting 4K resolution at 30 Hz, this splitter delivers crisp and clear video playback. Whether you're watching a high-definition movie or playing an action-packed game, the video output remains smooth and without lag, noise, or blurring. Two pictures shared on the same screen. One of the standout features of this splitter is the ability to connect two devices, such as a computer and a game console, simultaneously. This functionality allows users to seamlessly switch between work and play, maximizing efficiency and entertainment. Versatile device connectivity. The splitter enables connections between set-top boxes, gaming consoles, and other devices, making it easy to enjoy HD shows and gaming without sacrificing quality or convenience. Digital light display. Equipped with a digital light display, the HDMI splitter shows which input is active, eliminating any guesswork when switching sources. This small but effective feature adds convenience and user-friendliness to the device. Pros. Seamless switching between inputs. The dual mode capability ensures that users can switch between HDMI sources quickly without the need for reconfiguring or unplugging. High-resolution output. The 4K 30 Hz resolution support guarantees stunning visuals, making it ideal for movie nights, gaming, and professional presentations. Ease of use. The digital light display provides an easy way to see which input is currently active, simplifying source management. Multi-device support. The splitter's ability to handle various input devices like computers, game consoles, and set-top boxes makes it versatile for different user needs. Enhanced productivity. The feature of having two devices connected at the same time supports multitasking, allowing users to move effortlessly between activities without interruptions. Cons. 30 Hz limitation. While the 4K resolution support is impressive, the 30 Hz refresh rate may not satisfy users who need a smoother experience for fast-paced gaming or high-motion video playback. Gamers who require higher frame rates may find this limiting. No audio split functionality. The device handles video transmission excellently, but users seeking audio splitting features may need an additional device. Potential compatibility issues. Although rare, some users might experience compatibility issues with older devices that do not fully support modern HDMI standards. Final thoughts. The Baseus Dual Modes HDMI Splitter is an excellent choice for those seeking a practical and efficient way to manage multiple HDMI inputs without constantly switching cables. It excels in delivering clear 4K HD video, seamless input switching, and an intuitive interface with its digital light display. However, users who prioritize higher refresh rates or need more advanced audio capabilities may need to consider alternative solutions. Overall, for general entertainment setups, multitasking workstations, and those who value ease of use, this HDMI splitter is a well-rounded investment that balances performance with convenience. Check the price linked in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.